back to my channel, and today I am with my son Justin.
Hey, it's me.
Yes, he wanted to help me clean. Can you believe it? I mean, I'm totally shocked because he doesn't want to clean when it's really time for him to clean. Okay, but I'm going to let him help me today. And you guys, stop what you're doing if you're not a subscriber. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. As you can see, the background is very, very, very dirty. So my kitchen is dirty. And I'm gonna really focus on cleaning the kitchen today. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a few of products that I recently purchased that I'll be using in this video. I won't be using all of these products, but since I did just go shopping at Target, I wanted to mention them. So I love Mrs.Meyers cleaning products. And today I'm going to be using her dish soap. And it comes in many different scents. And one of my favorite scents is the lilac scent, which is the purple one here. And this is a multi-surface everyday cleaner. It removes dirt and also refreshes surfaces. Okay, it's gonna have my house smelling bomb. What's funny? It's gonna smell good. Okay. Anyway, so these are diffusers. This is my first time purchasing a diffuser, and of course I went overboard and bought two. You guys, let me know if you have any diffusers, what you like about them, what you don't like about them, what scents you prefer, because me and my husband was on the aisle in Target, like, we didn't know which ones to get. So I'm trying this Ever Spring, and this is the lavender scent. You know, I'm sticking with the whole lilac lavender type scent. I wanted to go ahead and just continue that, and I'm gonna put it in my living room. For everybody who's already a subscriber, you know my living room and dining room and kitchen is an open floor plan, so it's all gonna smell good, y'all. So, anyway, I paid $20 for the diffusers from Target. The scents, the different scents that you can put in the diffusers were $6.99. They were $6.99. And let's just say that all the, something's on my nose. All of the stuff that I bought from Mrs.Meyers collections were $3.99. I really feel like that's a great deal for these. You can also order them on her website, and we will link it below for you guys. Come on, Justin.
We will.
Yes, we will. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started with cleaning. He's gonna be my little assistant. So I want you guys to enjoy the video, and this is gonna be a speed clean for me so we don't have to really talk.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all 'cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom, bada boom, ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. When we're out dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding, when we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom, bada boom, ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you the right way. Treat you yeah. I'm gonna treat you the right way. The right way, the right way. The right way, the right way. Right way, the right way.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind, loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind, loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck.
So we are totally done cleaning the kitchen. Did you have fun, Justin, cleaning the kitchen?
Yes, it was fun.
It was fun.
Uh-huh.
Did you give out on me though, towards the end?
No.
No, you didn't. So you finished everything.
Finished everything.
Not really.
No.
But okay, you did a great job helping me. I really appreciate it today.
You welcome.
I couldn't have done it as fast without you.
Uh-huh.
Now, what was your favorite product? Because we used some new products today. What was
Yes, I love the lavender, Mrs.Meyers. It was really good. It smells amazing.
It does, doesn't it?
It leaves no streaks behind.
It didn't. We loved it. Anyway, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. We have had so much fun cleaning, you know, doing this whole quarantine, stay at home thing. And we will see you guys in another video. Bye. If you like videos like cleaning, if you guys like videos like this, such as clean with me, decorate with me videos, you know, any type of let me try it again. So guys, before we get started with this video, make sure that you are a subscriber so you won't miss any of my videos. I do videos on cleaning. I forgot what I do.
It's cleaning.
It's not that easy to just do this. It really isn't.
It really isn't. That's why I live stream. They don't laugh at you.
Okay.